Zeta. If you want to learn more about this position, you can go back to some of my old videos. Right, this one right here. I bought Fubo and Zeta call options, and then this one, Zeta Global, why I'm bullish. I did do a video on this. This is around when I started my position. So right here, around $15, I started my position, started building that out. So if you want to hear more about the company, stuff like that, I do need to do an updated one though. So that's going to come soon. That will be coming soon. But Zeta is my biggest conviction of the year, and I really want to add more to this position. It's ran up a lot this past week, as you can see. It's ran up 20% on the week. On the month is up 26%. Past 3 months, 19%. But year to date, up 20%. So that's a great start to the year. In all honesty, 22% of the portfolio, and I'm up roughly 44%. And we have a lot more to go. A lot more to go with Zeta. And this is kind of where I want to transition now, as far as just looking more into this Zeta. So right now, if we look at the year-over-year chart, we're back at roughly a year all-time highs. It was around $25 a year ago. So we're just getting back to all-time highs. As I'm saying, it's still a buy right now if you don't have a position. Do your research, of course. I'm not a financial advisor, but we're just getting back to all-time highs. We may see a slight little pullback this week. We may not. It's in an uptrend right now, so it really kind of depends. It really does depend. But if you look at the 5-year chart, the all-time high is roughly $35. The year-over-year all-time high is 25 roughly. The all-time high is 35. So I think we head into 35, 38 in that range. And I've been getting more into technical, so I'm gonna pull up TradingView, what I've been using to kind of look more in depth into the charts and things like that. So let me go ahead and pull up TradingView. I've been getting better with this stuff, guys, too. So I know I ain't uploading in a little minute, but I've been studying, but trying to perfect my craft a little bit. So let me go ahead. I gotta minimize this real quick. And then I'm going to share a window, Zeta, share, add to stage. Okay, bet. What do you say? Do I follow any politician trades? Nancy Pelosi a little bit, but I think she just retired if I'm not mistaken. But I don't follow them directly, you know what I mean? But I keep a lookout. Like she did a trade with what's it called? That healthcare company. I forgot what it's called. But she one of the best politicians out there that's been trading, not gonna lie. Like she one of the GOATs. Maybe be with you on Zeta 10-year hold. Yeah, for sure. Zeta is getting a lot of hype on FinTwit right now, but my colleague Nick, the real Wealthmatica on X, I know him, and he put me on a couple months ago before. He blew up crazy. Shout out to Nick. He blew up crazy these past couple months, and I'm proud because it's like, dang, I met him probably like a year ago, and he wasn't even on X, you know, and he got an interview with the CEO and all that type of stuff. So it's crazy who it's a beautiful thing who you can meet and network with online and really just collab with him and learn from him. He's good. He does research. I'm learning a lot from him right now. You know, I'm just trying to perfect my craft, of course. So we're gonna see what's up. But yeah, Zeta's definitely a good hold. Definitely a hold. Okay, now as far as this chart, so right now, TradingView, if anyone isn't familiar, it's kind of just where you can kind of see the candlesticks and stuff on stocks a little more in depth. I bought this during the Black Friday sale. They had a little good deal. So right now we're gonna pull up the 6-month chart. Now, as you can see, where I'm at. Okay, as you can see right here, just basic stuff. So these lines right here are trend lines. So what I've been doing is I just been seeing where Zeta has been trending at. Now, if you can see right here, peak to trough right here from the top of where Zeta was trading. You see right here how it was in a downtrend. Let me make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all follow me on the all platforms. You know what I mean? Y'all follow me on the platforms. You heard me. But as you can see right here, it's been in a downtrend. So let me see. Can I draw like a little box or something? Yeah. So right here, it was in like a downtrend right around here. From right here all the way down, downtrend. Now, if we zoom back on the 3-month chart, downtrend, 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 boom, it broke out of this downtrend right about here. Where this big green candle, I'm gonna go down low on the monthly chart. It broke out. So it wasn't a downtrend, but this green candle right here is what broke it out of this trend. See this one or that one? I can't remember. I think it was this one right here. I'm putting a little sticker by it. But this right here, in the downtrend, it broke out on that OpenAI deal, and it's been trending upward right here. So just been monitoring, nothing crazy. I'm not an expert on charts and technicals and all that type of stuff. I'm not an expert by all means, but I'm just trying to teach myself how to I'm trying to teach myself how to read charts and stuff like that. Indicators, you can see the volume candles down here. RSIs and all that type of stuff. I ain't there just yet. I'll tell you that. I ain't there just yet. I'm gonna put this on the X real quick too. Hold on. I'm not there just yet. Copy link. But nah, I'm excited though. Definitely excited this year. For sure. With the portfolio. Now, it's tricky how this market is going to be moving this year because it's a lot of catalysts and pullbacks, like things, what's it called, headwinds and tailwinds for the year, if we being honest. If we being honest. What you mean you're not able to post it? Oh, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put this on X to see, just to see what we talking about. Just to see what they talking about. But a few of the headwinds that I've been seeing this year, I don't know what's one, the tariff pullback. The tariff pullback this year can possibly be a headwind for this year. The court, I think they delayed it on Friday. I thought we was getting a decision on Friday, but they delayed it. So that's one thing. We have a new Fed chair coming in, replacing Jerome Powell like halfway through the year. So the new Fed chair, don't matter which way they're going, they're bullish. They're bullish. So they'll be cutting rates this year. I don't think we're getting one this month, but for a new Fed chair, so you don't fight the Fed, and lower interest rates is just more liquidity. So that's going for the market. The biggest fears is the AI investment trade. A lot of people have been kind of like against that. They think it's a bubble. People think it's a bubble, but I think this next earnings call is definitely going to shut that up, and people are going to realize that we're here to stay. I was watching some of the CES event with AMD, NVIDIA. Robotics is not even taking off yet, bro. Robotics not even taking off yet. So it's like we got a long way to go. Very, very long way to go with the AI trade. But yeah, I just want to cover this Zeta real quick. Just a cool little chart. Just seeing how we breaking out. And what I just been learning with TradingView, with the trend lines, the moving day averages. That's what I've been focusing on. The moving day averages, trend lines. That's really it. You can see right here, downtrend. Then we broke out of this long-term downtrend, and now we headed back up, essentially. So keep a lookout for that. You'll feel me. You'll feel me. So what I wanted to do next, I wanted to, let's see, let's go ahead and remove that.